Hi guys, I'm here with another must-have item, and this isn't just for my caravan, it's a game changer if you live in a house too. This is a gadget you absolutely need. Let me introduce you to the M320 robot vacuum cleaner with mop from, of course, none other than AliExpress. It boasts a massive 6,000 Pascal powerful suction and features a visible dustbin. This is where it gets smart. It has an upgraded PSD obstacle avoidance technology, a 190-degree ultra-wide angle view, and 9 sets of front-facing triangular sensors. Obstacle avoidance is improved by an incredible 50%. With its anti-tangle suction mouth, you have no more entanglement issues. Plus, at just 79 millimeters high, this slim robot can easily clean under beds, sofas, and all those tight spaces. If you have pets, listen up. It features a HEPA filter, making it perfect for pet hair and hard floors. The powerful suction and dual side brushes efficiently collect all that hair, dander, and dust. And it has a 500 milliliter large capacity dustbin that minimizes frequent emptying, a lifesaver for pet owners. With an impressive 180-minute runtime and the ability to connect to Alexa or Google, power and simplicity aren't an issue. The best part is the smart technology. This vacuum can return to its base, recharge, and resume cleaning right where it left off. Use the app for full control, real-time monitoring, and to schedule your cleans. There's a huge feature we can't ignore. This robot vacuum has the ability to mop as well. It's not just a vacuum, it's a true dual function cleaner. Forget swapping out heavy attachments. Look how easy it is to turn this robot into a smart mop right around your house. With a simple click, you swap the dustbin for the mop pad. This takes your cleaning routine from dry dust removal to wet mopping in seconds. The M320 isn't just dragging a wet cloth. It's intelligently designed to deliver a consistent, even clean. It applies just the right amount of pressure and water to tackle light spills and daily grime on your hard floors, whether it's tile, laminate, or sealed wood. It gives you that fresh, polished finish without lifting a finger. Having a mop and a vacuum in one sleek, automated device is the ultimate convenience. You get 2 essential cleaning chores completed while you focus on what matters most. This thing is a serious cleaning powerhouse. If you want a clean home without the hassle, this is the one. It even includes a 2-year warranty. But wait, before you go ahead and order this amazing device, why not grab the shopping festival opportunity? It's the 11th shopping festival, and it starts now. There's not only a lucky box draw, but also millions of coupons available. Let's snap the best deals of 2025 up. I have exclusive discount codes for you guys, but stocks and time are limited. Use my code for extra savings right now. Here are the tiers. Get £6 off your purchase of £30, get £15 off your purchase of £80, get £20 off your purchase of £120, and get £35 off your purchase of £200. These codes are effective from November 1st, 2025 at 8 a.m. until December 4th, 2025 at 7:59 a.m. All codes are mentioned in the description as well. It's time to join my team and earn cashback calling on all AliExpress fans. Join my team and get up to 10% cashback on everything, with some exclusions. You can earn more points by completing daily tasks such as signing in, browsing, and placing orders. The higher the team points, the more cashback you get. Come and check it out. To join my team, there are 3 easy ways. You can click on the link in the description of this video and start earning instantly. Or you can join my team by simply entering the code mentioned in the description. Or just scan the QR code on your screen right now. Don't miss out on the M320 or these incredible 11.11 savings. The links and codes are all waiting for you below. Happy shopping!